In this video, I will show how to turn on macros in MS Word document. So, to turn on macros, click on File. In this left side corner, File. Then here you will see the setting More Options. Click on it. And here Options. Then click on Test. Now here click on Trust Center. Then Trust Center Settings. Here you will get the option Macro Settings. So to enable and turn on, select this fourth option, Enable all macros. And guys, make sure it's not recommended. Why? Because some potentially dangerous code can run. So don't enable all time. If you need for particular macros, so make it on, then click on OK. Now run the macro, and after that disable. Using the same settings and disable. Then click on OK. So this is the way guys you can enable or disable macros in Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.